Hey there! Today we're going to make a really simple craft using materials that you can find in your home. All we need is a yellow rectangular paper, a pencil or a pen, a red marker, a black marker and some scissors. Firstly, fold the paper to make it a square and cut off the remaining sheet. Now fold this square into half in the center, again into half in the bottom and half on the top. Now turn the sheet and repeat the same process on the other side. You are now left with a flexible paper with a lot of square segments on it. Taking a pencil or a pen, mark 4 dots on each of the 4 corners as shown here. Now take one corner of the sheet and fold it across so that this corner touches the dot. Repeat the process with all the 4 corners, touching each dot respectively. Now for the tricky part. Using your fingers, slightly push one corner towards the inside and fold it. Make sure to do a second fold again on the existing fold. This will ensure that the box is stiff. Repeat the 2 folds on all the 4 corners until you get a box like this. Slightly push the sides inside with your fingers and you end up with a beautiful 3D geometry that looks like this. As you can see, we have ended up with 3 different diamond-shaped surfaces on this geometry. On the first diamond surface, take a marker of your choice and draw an emoji that suits your preference. I personally love to draw the heart emoji here. Turn over and draw a second emoji of your preference. It's a bit hard to find the third surface, but you'll find it. Once you do, take the markers and draw a third emoji of your preference. And that's it! Now you have an emoji face changer. This is not only a craft, but also a game that you can play with. Enjoy and happy creating!